Teri Ijeoma's incredible journey from burnout to financial freedom is truly inspiring and transformative. As the founder of Trade and Travel, Teri helps people travel and pursue passions by teaching stock trading skills. After a decade in education, she felt drained and desperately craved a life change full of possibilities. Stock trading became her passion. She immersed herself in learning, and soon transformed it into a career. By 2017, Teri set a challenging goal, earning $300 daily from trading, the key to her freedom. Achieving her goal allowed her to quit her job and explore the world, embracing the life she dreamed of. While traveling, curious onlookers prompted her to share her trading knowledge, leading to her first teaching experiences. As interest in her teachings grew, Teri realized she could create an online course, turning her passion into a business. With innovative tools like Leadpages, Teri attracted thousands of students and crafted high-converting landing pages effortlessly. Now, Teri aims to break stock trading myths, empowering others to see the potential and rewards within trading.